Nifty snaps its 4-day winning streak. Bank Nifty slips after 3 straight days of gains. Profit booking blamed. Nifty, minus 99, 18,534. Sensex, minus 347, 62,622. Nifty succumbed to profit booking as investors cling to a cautious approach, albeit anxiety ahead of the US debt ceiling vote. Also, the benchmark Nifty was hit by slide in China factory activity, indicating weakening global economic activity. Amongst sectoral indices, Nifty Bank and Nifty Metal Index slipped 0.60% each. Long story short, Nifty hits the pause button and most importantly, the benchmark's upside momentum appears to struggle. Advanced decline, 1832. India VIX 11.97, minus 0.33%. Nifty PCR 0.84. Bank Nifty PCR 0.79. Nifty Midcap, plus 0.35%, 9,540. Nifty Small Cap, plus 1.03%, 10,166. Bank Nifty, minus 0.69%, 44,128. Nifty IT, plus 0.08%, 29,320. USD INR, plus 0.06%, 82.83. Top index gainers. Bharti Airtel, plus 3.84%. Kotak Bank, plus 2.01%. Britannia, plus 1.83%. Top index losers. ONGC, minus 2.49%. Axis Bank, minus 2.41%. SBIN, minus 2.18%. All about Nifty. Nifty CMP, 18,534. Support, 18,417 by 17,281. Resistance, 18,888 by 19,050. Range, 18,400 to 18,700. 21 DMA, 18,314. 50 DMA, 17,831. 200 DMA, 17,841. Trend, positive. Our view for Thursday's trade. If today's profit booking from higher levels is any indication, then Nifty biggest support to watch is at 18,281 mark. Below 18,281, expect waterfall of selling towards Nifty's psychological 18,000 mark. On the upside, Nifty faces major hurdles at 18,888 mark. Caution is the buzzword in the near term. Bullish looking stocks. Britannia, PFC, Pi Industries. Bullish looking stocks, long term. SBI, Bank of Baroda, Bajaj Finserv. Bearish looking stocks. GMR Infra, Adani Enterprises, DR Reddy's Lab. Stocks to avoid. Rain Industries, Naukri, Bosch.